Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create SnapDeal account. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go and open up your SnapDeal app. So here we go. I have opened my SnapDeal app. After opening the SnapDeal app, basically you will get interface like this. So you need to skip the ads that it is coming on the interface at the first time. Then here you need to select the language. If you are if you speak Hindi language, you can select Hindi. If you speak English, you can select English. So my suggestion is select the English if you know the English, or else if you don't know the English only, you select the other languages. So I know English perfectly. I can speak and I can understand the English. So that is the reason I am selecting the English. And after selecting here, you need to click on the continue option that it is at the bottom. So I have clicked on the continue option. After clicking on the continue option, here on the bottom right corner, here you can clearly see on the bottom right corner you will be having an option called profile. You need to click on that profile option. After clicking on the profile option, here you will be having two options, login or sign up. So you need to click on login or sign up option. After that, here it will be asking your phone number. So you need to give your phone number. I am giving my phone number. So I have entered my phone number. After entering your phone number, automatically it won't send any OTP, but it will ask your name. So you need to give your name. I have given my name as CM Entertainments. It means it's one of my YouTube channel names. So I have given it. You need to give your main name. If your name is Mahesh, you need to give your Mahesh. So without confusion, I'm giving my name is Mahesh. So I'm giving my name as Mahesh. If your name is something other else like Suresh, Radhika, so like that, you can give your main name. So I have entered my name, and after that I'm clicking on the continue option. After that, the number that you have entered in the past, so for that number you will be getting a OTP. So I have got OTP, and automatically it is verified. And after that, here it will be interface will be like this. So here you can see my interface will be like this. From here I can order some things, but here you need to edit your profile. So here there is edit option. No, you need to click on that edit option, and here you need to edit your profile. That means here you need to add your email address. If you have any email address, you can add your email address. And here you need to select the gender. So I have selected my gender, and after that, here you need to select the birth date. So I am selecting my birth date. First of all, I am selecting year. So 2000 I have selected. Then normally date I am selecting whatever I want. So you need to select your birth date and click on the OK button. And afterward, here you can add even the mail also. So I don't have any mail right now, I'm not adding. So if you have the mail also, you can add, because it gives you more security. And after that, here you need to click on this save button. So details were changed. And here one thing also, you can add your profile picture also once again. So here you can add your profile picture also. Here you can see you need to click on the camera button, and you can add even your profile picture also. So normally I'm selecting one Free Fire picture, and I have added it. Then afterward, come to back. So here you can see my profile picture is also added. Hope this video helped you so much. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.